What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jackson, and today we are just gonna be I'm gonna just be showing you how to make thumbnails. And I know I haven't been here for a while, been on YouTube for a while, but for any new viewers who are just watching for the tutorial, I'll just skip past this and get straight to the point. So basically, in this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to make like funny, not like super cool thumbnails. So if that's not what you're looking for, I'd go find another video. Now, I'm not gonna say that I'm like hilarious, I'm a comedian, but I'm gonna say that this isn't the most epic. It's more like trying to be funny. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say if you guys know the game Teardown, it's about destroying stuff. I'm gonna use that, and I'm just gonna kind of make a comedic tutorial off that. So I am going to go to this, and I'm going to look up sledgehammer on Google. Find you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look up HD sledgehammer.png, just like that. We're gonna use this one. Copy image. We're gonna press Control V, and then what we're gonna do is after you press Control V, we are going to press the object selection tool. If it might be the magic wand or the quick selection tool. Just right click on whatever one it is and select object selection tool, and we're just gonna make sure that we get hold on, I messed up, sorry about that. We're gonna make sure that we get every pixel of the sledgehammer in it, just like that. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to select every pixel of the sledgehammer, just like this, and then we are gonna press V. And if you see, we have a little scissors next to our mouse. We're gonna click on the scissors, click on it, and then we're gonna drag it out, just like that. Actually, we're gonna press Control J, and then boom, you just turn off this part. Actually, what you can do, you can make layer 1 active, which is the original. Like if you turn this off, the original with the sledgehammer and the PNG part, you can press backspace on that and deletes it, then make the actual sledgehammer active. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna look up Teardown background HD. That is not what I was looking for, so HD Teardown game background. We'll go with this. This works. Copy image. And then we'll go back to Photoshop and press Control V again. You'll notice that the sledgehammer is underneath the actual background. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna hold onto layer 3, which is the background, and you're just gonna drag it underneath layer 2, which is the sledgehammer, just like that. Now what you wanna do is you wanna go back on Google, and you think of something that you want to be smashed. So we'll go with let me think here. We will go with just a random house PNG. Oh, we can't forget the HD, just so you don't get any low resolution and it makes it look bad. Let's do this little cottage here. How's that? Press copy image, back to Photoshop, Control V. See, this is too small. So we're gonna size it up. What I like to do is I will scroll to about here, because this is where you see the thumbnails most of the time. This is about the size you see them. I'm going to use the object selection again. I'm gonna get the whole house in the pixels. And then I'm gonna press V again. There's the scissors icon. Click on it. And then we're gonna press Control J. And then we're gonna delete layer 4 again, because that is the one with the background. As you can see, we now have our little house. What we're going to do is we are going to take the sledgehammer, and we are going to kind of put the sledgehammer. This is where it gets a little complicated, okay? We're going to put the sledgehammer right above the house, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the house, press Control T on the house. Then if you see this little button right next to here, this is the right next to this part. It's the warp button. We're gonna press that. And sorry if you hear background noise. My mom just took my dog on a walk. So after you have the sledgehammer positioned, you're gonna press this button right here, and this will give you the warp mode. You'll see that you get a bunch of more points on the house here. And I don't know if you've seen the bonk meme. Here, I'll pull it up so you can see what I mean. You can see it kind of makes it smushed. That's kind of my idea for this. We're gonna go back to Photoshop. And the warp, we're gonna kind of like morph it to where it has like a bonk in it, pretty much. And then what you're gonna do after you've done that, this is good, you're gonna press the check mark on the top, which means commit transform, or you could press enter, and then you're gonna go back to the sledgehammer and position it the way you like. So I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Okay, that actually didn't take much long. So what you're gonna do now is you are going to press on text, and just to add a little joke on here, you're gonna make sure the color is white. You're gonna, and for the font, I'm going to use Arial Rounded Empty Bold, and I'm gonna type asterisk, all capitals, bonk, asterisk, just like that. And then what I'm gonna do after that is I'm going to press V. You're gonna click away. You're gonna click off of the text, so you're not typing anymore. And then you're gonna press, with the text active in the layers, you're gonna press Control T, and you're gonna make it larger, about that big. You can see the pixels there. And then put it like that. Now what I like to do so it's not as bland text. Oh, one thing I noticed, you want to make sure that the asterisks are fully in the screen, so like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the layer, not on the name, because I don't want to change the name. And I want to double click on the layer, and that'll open the blending options. What I'm going to do, and then I am going to add a outer glow. See the stuff. Blend mode is normal. Opacity is 100. Noise is 0. The color is black. Technique is precise. Spread is 0. Size is 29. Range is 30. The contour is, well, I don't know how to describe it. There you go. And jitter is 0. After you've done that, if you want, I don't usually do this, you can add a drop shadow. I don't like it, but it's fully up to you. I'm going to get rid of it. But after you do what you want with it, you press OK. It's on the right side of the blending options. Press OK. And then what you're going to want to do is just really simple. You're almost done. You're just going to look up the teardown logo. Or at least tear down for me, because I'm making a tear down thumbnail. So just like this, you're going to press copy image again, back to Photoshop, Control V, and then you're going to give the object selection, and you're going to select the tear down, and then you're going to press V, cut it out, Control J, and then uh, delete layer 6. At least for me, layer 6. The one with the logo. And now you have nothing but the logo here. You're going to press Control T with the logo selected. Make it a bit bigger. This is good for me. Just like this. And then that's pretty much it. You're done. What I like to do when I finish Photoshop is actually, you know what? Let's do one last thing. Let's double click on the logo, and we're gonna do a drop shadow, color black, opacity 100, distance 23, spread 0, size 29, contour is the same as it was before, and noise is 0. Press OK when you're done. And then now you're pretty much done. So what you will want to do is you will press File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to show my files. I'll do it after I stop recording. And then that's it. You're done. Good job. You've made a somewhat comedic thumbnail. If you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, and possibly leave a comment if this really helped you. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.